chicken's name is Lunch. So it's perfect. Let's have some chicken for lunch. Whew, it's a scorcher out there. Who wants to put on the oven? We barbecued some chicken. So the barbecued chicken is spiced with Kinder's spice. And then we also did a baked potato with fried shrimp, and you saw that little butter that I put on there. We do have some wines. We did have some leftover wines from the ice cream pairing, so we're gonna try them. The main goal is the Le Cuvier Grenache. We will be trying that first, so let's dig in. The first is the Le Cuvier Grenache wine. This is a 2019 Grenache. Very pleasant to the palate, has nice balanced acidity, the tannins are soft, the fruit is definitely there. So let's see how it goes with the barbecued chicken. Now, if you wanted to do a white, I would actually recommend probably a Chardonnay. So let's try. Get a little bit of chicken. Oh yeah. The smokiness that really comes through. It's a nice balanced wine with the food. You really do get a nice pairing, and it goes really well. It enhances, I feel like, the smokiness of the chicken. Let's try it with the baked potato and the fried shrimp. The shrimp was marinated with garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of chili powder. And totally goes. The chili powder and the Grenache work well together. So what I want to do is do our Zinfandel that we had. This has been chilled a little bit. The Grenache you can chill as well. But remember, like, room temperature is 65 to 70 degrees. So let's try this in. So this is an old vine Zinfandel. There's pepper notes in there. You still get the fruit of the wine. Let's see how it goes with the chicken. A little bit of everything. Smoky, again, goes really well. I feel like the fruit and the pepper notes are matched perfectly. So with the Grenache and the Zinfandel, it's a hit. Let's try also our jam jar. This is a sweet Shiraz, and now this one, I've only just trying to decide if it would go or not. So this is gonna be a kind of a question mark of how this is gonna go. It is sweet. You do get the Shiraz. It's not over the top sweet, at least on my palate it's not. Let's try with the chicken. So it does make it sweeter. The pepper notes in the Shiraz, they're there, but to me, I feel like the wine makes it more sweet for the wine. Probably not on the Shiraz. Like I said, it was just kind of a let's try it. I would go with a Grenache or a Zinfandel. I probably should have also tried a Chardonnay with it, but I think definitely Grenache and Zinfandel, you can't go wrong with the barbecue chicken. It's a dry rub. Even if you did a sauce, these would go as well with the sauce. So let's go ahead and let's pair some more. Ready?
So say that.
Let's pair with some chicken.
This chicken,
Oh.
and you gotta.
Jeez.
But you gotta tell her.
So come on, lunch. Oh, come on. Come on. Look, let's try it again. Let's pair with some chicken. And our chicken's name is Lunch. So it's perfect. Let's have some chicken for lunch.